Hi, and welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for February 2015. If you'll give me about 5 minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's going on in the St. Louis real estate market. First, let's take a look at the St. Louis MSA as a whole. And you'll see up here, I'm going to highlight a couple of stats. This month, 38% of the properties on the market have had a price decrease in the last 90 days. This is down from 41% the month before, so a decline there. And we can see a big change here in new listings for the week. We had 1,014 new listings come on the market in the metro area for the past week, and we had 1,180 listings leave the market, absorbed, either sold, expired, or whatever. So almost balanced, few more leaving than coming. Last month we only had like 600 coming on the market, and we had 1,300 leaving the market. So a lot more listings entering the market this month. And our market action index for the St. Louis metro area as a whole is a 31. 30 is the cutoff. 30 is a balanced market, which is what it was last month. 31 puts it ever so slightly into seller's market territory. Now I'm going to zoom in for the next few slides here and talk about just the St. Louis core market, which is a 5-county market where the bulk of the St. Louis real estate business happens on the Missouri side. It would be the cities of St. Louis County, St. Charles County, and Jefferson County combined. This is our market action index for those 5 counties. And again, this indicates, it's just a quick snapshot that indicates whether it's a buyer's market or a seller's market. Black line on top is St. Louis County, and it continues to be the highest in terms of the index. It's about a 35, definitely seller's market territory. Next line is the orange line, which is the city of St. Louis, followed by green, St. Charles County. So all 3 of those are in seller's market territory. And if we go down to the below the red line, which is the balanced market line, if we go down below it, you'll see the yellow line, which represents Jefferson County. You can see that's been down in buyer's market territory, but it is up to about a balanced market now in Franklin County, which has just been in buyer's market territory from the beginning of this index, is even making its way slowly up to that balanced market line. Here is our charts showing the price per square foot for those same 5 counties, and pretty consistent with what we saw last month. St. Charles County, the green line, is at a steady rate. It's the most steady trend there. We can see the St. Louis County line, the black one, bubbled up and coming back down. Now let's look at our hot markets, or the hottest markets in the St. Louis area. And again, this is based upon our market action index, and we can see that Baldwin is at the top of the list. It's got a 46 this month. Last month, Baldwin was also at the top of the list with a 44. So the market's heated up more. Clayton's number 2 with a 46. Last month it was a 41. Chesterfield's number 3 at 44. Last month it was 40. Webster's 43. Last month 39. So top 4 positions there are the same as last month. But you can see the markets have heated up. They've become stronger sellers markets than even they were last month. And the bottom of the list, Baldwin, the 63011 zip code area of Baldwin, which made number 15, is a 36, and last month, 15th on the list, ahead of 34. So again, the entire, all the areas that are sellers markets have become stronger sellers markets. Now the interesting thing is the buyers markets have gotten colder. Last month at the top of the list was New Haven with a 24, and then followed by Rock Hill with a 24. And you'll see this month Rock Hill is at the top of the list with an 18, and the lower the number gets, the colder the market is. So that is very much a buyer's market in Rock Hill, as well as the St. Louis 63106 area. And you can see the rest of them on the screen there. This is a look from our MLS. This is some charts showing for the 5-county area, some MLS stats, and you can see in the upper right-hand corner there are pending sales year-to-date for 2015 versus the same time year-to-date 2014, basically 1 month year-to-date. You can see we're pretty well even, as it indicates there. So pending sales have started off about the same pace this year as last year. The one I'm highlighting now, closed sales, down in the lower corner there. We can see that closed sales year-to-date for this year is down about 4% from the same time last year. And now average sold price is up about 7.6%, slightly higher than last month's comparison. Now this is a longer term look. This is a 10-year look at median home prices of prices sold for that 5-county area we've been looking at. And I drew a red line there to kind of draw out from 10 years ago to through 2014. And so from 2005, 2014, prices were flat. They dipped down and came back to even. So really no change in 10 years there. Now you can see so far starting off 2015 there's been a little bit of a dip, but this is looking at an annual basis, so kind of hard to say where it's going to end up at. This is the same chart showing 10-year prices for just 3 main counties: St. Louis County, St. Charles County, and the city of St. Louis. And we can see these 3 counties have fared a little bit better over the 10-year period. Home prices are actually up about 3.5%. During that period. Now you can see again trending downward for this year, but that's just because of the it's a 1-year chart. So there's the data for this month. A couple of quick things here. When you're searching for homes, search St. Louis's best home search site. That's stlouisrealestatesearch.com, stlouisrealestatesearch.com. Never show you homes that are not available there like they do on Realtor.com and Zillow. Everything that's on our site is active and available. Also, if you want to find the value of your home, or any home for that matter, check out stlouishouseprices.com, and you can get a home value in less than a minute. stlouishouseprices.com. Also, check out open houses this weekend. St. Louis's favorite open house site is stlouisopenhouses.com. That's stlouisopenhouses.com. And remember, get your own agent. Don't buy from the listingagent.com. Check it out. It'll tell you why you do not want to buy directly from the listing agent, and you want to have your own buyer's agent. We'll be happy to represent you. There's no cost to you. Check out don'tbuyfromthelistingagent.com. If you have any questions or comments on anything, or we can help you in any way, please give us a call at 314-414-6000, or visit stlre.com. There's the legal disclaimer. You can read that at your leisure. Again, visit us at stlre.com, or call us at 314-414-6000. Thank you. Have a great day, and until next month, God bless.